boxes lying around their house, like these. But normally, they're all just plain and boring. But in this video, we're decorating them and turning these plain boxes into fun and beautiful treasure boxes or jewelry boxes that you can hold jewelry, stationery, arts, and lots more. Let's get started.
Okay, we have glitter, we have glitter glue, we have foam shapes, we have foam stickers, you said, pompons, gems, loads of gems.
Beautiful gems.
And we have acrylic paint, just in case if some of us will want to paint.
And we also have these. And they look like strips, but they're actually very cool. They turn into.
And you can, I'm sure that you have lying around different boxes from different things. Mine, for example, from perfume.
Mine is from something.
From home scent.
Yeah.
Okay, so
Okay.
let's get started.
We also have a glue gun that we need to be careful with.
Yeah.
I'm gonna start with one of these foam shapes and stick it right in the middle. I'm gonna use this purple one because, you know, purple's my favorite color.
And I think I'm gonna start painting my
Ooh.
box. And we are using acrylic paint today because you remember it dries out very quickly, so it's gonna.
But you need to paint fast too because it dries.
I will
so.
try.
Now I'm gonna take that foam shape that I got and put some hot glue and press it right in the middle. That is not the middle. That's beautiful. Let's show them.
You see? I chose red color for my box, and now I'm painting
I
quickly.
might paint it.
You don't have to be very neat with that, because you remember we need to work with the paint very, very quickly, otherwise it dries.
Now on my butterfly, I'm gonna put some
Dries
gems
like
on it.
this.
Just like this. Just like this. See? Like this. Now I'm gonna take.
I think I need more.
I think I'm gonna paint.
Would you like to paint as well?
I think I'll go.
It's fine. You want to paint up to the picture?
I think. What color do you think I should go with? I'm going with. It's okay. Just need one color. I'm gonna put it right. That's the perfect color. Then take the brush, wet it first, and then paint. See, hey, it's beautifully going. Wow, yours is absolutely amazing.
You will see how it's going to look afterwards. So I painted this, and I'm not going to paint the back, I'll just paint the sides. And again, we're doing it very, very fast because the paint dries
Yeah,
very quickly, but then it's good because then we don't need to waste time waiting for the paint to dry.
Yeah.
Okay, so we painted our boxes.
Now this is how it looks all painted.
But I didn't do here. But if you want, you can always do here. Okay, and because it's acrylic paint, it's already dry. Not everybody's. No. Keep away. Ah! Okay, so let's get decorating.
Yeah!
Okay.
So I'm gonna get, so how I said earlier, we have a lot of colors here. I'm gonna go with a hot pink. That's a beautiful color.
Oh, very nice.
And then this is how it works. So, what are you doing?
Because I still have the name of the brand, so I want to cover it. The paint didn't cover it, unfortunately. And actually, by the way, if you don't want to use paint, you can always use a plain paper to glue on top, and then you can decorate it all.
So, now we're just gonna get one out, and I'm gonna show you how this.
Okay, first I'm gonna cover the brand.
This won't come out.
Didn't help. This is
Ah, it won't come out.
Yep.
Yay. So you take one, and then here you open it, and there's like a little thing like this. And look how cool this is. You press down, and then it's like a little flower.
It is a magic.
It is magic. So now I'm gonna cut this part off. But this is, why is this not staying?
And you see, you just put the glue, hot glue on the little gems,
Scissors, I'm gonna
and
cut
it will nicely stick and cover everything that needs to be covered.
Put some glue. Okay.
And you can always order them online.
Just
They come in different sizes, different colors, and it's very easy.
yes, there's different shapes.
Oh, no, this one I didn't glue.
So
The glue, yes, so it is like that.
Glue. I've got a gem on a gem. Like
I'm trying to
so
find
this is
different
how
colors.
it looking like.
Oh, I love your basket.
I'm gonna put this gem on the gem to look. Actually, no, I'm gonna put the gem on top like it. Now I'm gonna put this right onto the gem to look. See? Gem on the gem. Now I'm gonna do the same thing.
Or you can, if you want, you can put the glue, the dots of glue on the box and then put the gems.
But
It's up
the
to
thing
you.
is,
Whatever the easiest way for you, do that.
but the thing is that it's quite, it won't stick. It will dry up the glue before you even do it. That's the thing about hot glue. And do that. Go press, 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 press. And then go.
Or you can actually make a drawing with the hot glue and then just put everything.
Yeah, that's very nice. Two. Now, gonna do.
So I covered the name. Now I'll
Purple.
start
Ah.
decorating. What should I
Let's see.
use?
Did you show
Is
them?
it?
That's easy.
Okay, so I put the gems nicely. Tried to put the gems nicely.
No,
Now
I'm gonna
gonna
put the
do
gems.
nails.
I'm gonna put a gem.
We have this little wooden heart, and the good thing about them that you can
Color
them
any
as well.
color you want.
Any color you want, and you can decorate your beautiful box with that.
Good.
Yeah, I decided to decorate the sides with my little heart,
Now I'm gonna use these two.
and then when I decorate it everywhere here, I'll leave them. Okay, where is it?
Just stick of that and then glue stick.
Up. Okay. So you can do different design, you can draw, you can paint, you can
Now I'm gonna use
stick
this.
little things like that.
Use some pom-poms. Oh my god, look at that one. It just oh no. Down it goes. Use two red ones.
So now they look very plain, but you'll see at the end. You'll see at the end what you're gonna make. You can even stick actually the gems like that. Or you can paint.
Now I'm gonna now do the design. I think I've done the design on the front. Now I'm going to do the designs on the side.
So I finished with my heart. I don't know why. Here I have 4, on this side I have 5. I thought that I'm doing exactly, you know, like the same everywhere, but I couldn't. But
Now I'm
anyway.
putting sequins on the side.
And now I'll decorate my plain heart. Okay. So,
I thought you decorate your hearts and then stick it.
so one of the decorations can be just you can put gem like that. See?
I have a quicker way. You just pop sequins just like this.
Or sequence, yeah. Or you can do the sequence. If you glue it everywhere, then you can put the sequence. You see?
There. That's a quicker way. You just glue everywhere and then pop sequins.
Yep. That's a good idea.
So you do a
You
line
don't need much glue
glue,
for that.
and then you take a handful of sequins and just
I just
sprinkle,
threw them around.
just like this. Throw them everywhere, and then it's going good.
It is actually.
Even if they go everywhere, so that's good. Gotta put more glue, glue. Go take a handful of sequins and drop it everywhere. I have sequins everywhere. Ta-da! Sequins. That's the quick way
Ooh,
of putting sequins
you
on.
did a good job.
And it actually covers the whole line. The whole side. Just like take the blue strings off. Now I'm gonna do the same thing, but with let's do silver on this side. Put glue everywhere. Take a bun, you take a handful of sequins.
You are in a
Just
speedy mode.
roll
Speedy
them
mode.
on. Just ta-da, done in 3 seconds.
Wow, that's amazing. I should say that's amazing. Like, okay. So, and the other side, I think I'm gonna paint.
Now,
Paint, and I'm
from
gonna
that
use-
quick idea, I'm gonna put sequins through the whole thing. Gonna put some sequins there. Just grabbing different colors.
Yeah.
Just glue, 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 glue. Get a handful of different colors. Ta-da! See? That's easy.
Wow, that's actually amazing. Very
Got my glue.
speedy
And
job.
always just press down with your
I
fingers
think
so
like that.
so the parts you want don't get.
So today I'm being very what to call it, minimalistic. Not my usual self.
Just take a bit, actually a lot, different colors. But
You can put anything you want. you can throw around the sequins everywhere.
ta-da!
Most
Now,
importantly, don't forget
Press
to glue it
down,
first.
press
Yeah.
down. So what about?
That's a
Whoops.
that's a real treasure box actually. That's a real treasure box.
Sequins everywhere.
Amazing. I love it. I love it. I love it. Mine is very plain.
Come on, go crazy with the sequins. No, go crazy with glitter. Go.
Glitter.
I'm gonna go crazy with
Oh my god, we're crazier.
everywhere. Ooh,
It's
that was
good.
easy to open.
Yeah. Put the glue, yeah? Or you
Oh
still
yeah,
have-
I was about to just put
Yeah,
glitter.
put the glue.
I was about to put glitter on it. I'm putting glitter on the wings. This I won't go crazy. Fine. I went. Oh my,
Okay.
that is a lot.
Maybe to
Glitter.
this side.
What am I gonna do with all this? Can you take this?
Yes. Lovely.
Okay, go. Ta-da! This is going well. Oh my, sequins of... there's a lot of sequins here.
Try.
Do you think we need more sequins? Yeah, let's go more. More. Take the handful, my usual way. Sprinkle away. Press down. Wait, actually get the excess out. And then press.
Do you know where lid is?
Go. Ta-da. Everywhere.
Gorgeous.
Sequins.
Gorgeous.
I have more.
What did I do now?
Oh, what's that?
I spoiled my box. Wanted
That
to copy you see?
That's glitter glue.
No, that's a glue, and then there is a glitter.
That's another word for glitter glue.
I think I should cover it. Because it doesn't look nice anymore.
I know.
Did it actually look nice?
I saw here there's some googly eyes.
Ooh.
And I'm gonna stick the googly eyes on the pom-poms that I done on.
Okay,
I'm gonna show
like
you
that.
how crazy this looks.
So I'm hiding the not the good part.
Okay, look at my googly eyes.
Perfect.
Googly
Wow.
eyes.
Jump, jump, jump.
Googly eyes.
It is a, how do you call this box? Monster box? Googly eye box?
Sequence monster.
Sequence monster box. Where's the sequence?
Okay, I'll just pour it. Okay, I'll take a break from this crazy sequence and add some gems. I have no idea where to put them because it's covered with sequins. I think I'm gonna put them
On the side, maybe? Look.
On a gem. I'm gonna put
Never
this-
minimalistic with us. Never.
Oh no, there's a different gem. Fine, I'll get the same gem I just stuck on. There we go. Ta-da! Look how crazy this looks.
Okay, so should we show our creations?
It's not crazy enough.
It's all crazy now. Okay. What else? How are you gonna make it even crazier? Yeah, I'm gonna put some foam butterfly.
Are you gonna put glue on that in sequence?
I don't know.
I will help
Maybe
you.
yes.
I'll
maybe
help
not.
you with the sequence.
No, thank you.
No. It's okay.
Ah!
It's okay.
Oh my god!
It's
Look
okay.
what you did!
Perfect. That's my style. My style.
Oh
Do you
my-
need more?
No, I think I'm good. Okay. No, thank you.
You need more glue.
Yeah. Oh, that's actually really good. Thank you, Malika.
Just let
Look
me.
what you did.
I think you should put glue here.
Uh-oh.
There we go.
And I wanted to go minimalistic today. No way, Jose.
No.
No way, Jose, with this.
You're
girl
not
can
allowed
go
that here.
minimalistic. I'm so.
Yeah, that's my style. Do you need a little more?
No, thank you.
Just a bit more right here. There we go.
Okay.
Then you said you wanted to.
So should we show our friends our
We don't need
beautiful,
more sequins.
crazy, but still beautiful
I
creation,
need more sequins.
which is not minimalistic at all. But
Why
you can
do
go
you
as
want to do
crazy.
minimalistic?
But today I wanted something, like plainish, but
Okay,
No,
get a
it's like that.
handful. That's my way. You just glue and then we're running out of sequins.
we're not trying out to sing with the hop here.
Okay, gotta take just a bit more.
No, I'll help. Now let mommy help you. Wait, where is it?
So I think it's crazy enough.
I think yeah. I think
So,
we're done.
3, 2, 1.
Ta-da!
This is our crazy
It's
monster
our
box.
boxes.
What's your box called?
I don't know.
Butterfly Explosion?
Probably.
Mine is the Sequence Monster.
And you can use it to store your bits and bobs.
What are you putting in
Or
there?
all these things if you're into arts and crafts. So subscribe to our channel, watch our video,
And press like.
us please,
Bye.
and see you very soon.
Bye.
Bye.